playing with my puppets and fidgets. First, we have my Among Us puppet. Next is my unicorn puppet. That's my unicorn puppet. Now it's time for my hexagon puppet. That was my hexagon puppet. Now time for my Nido. That was my Nido. I don't know the name of this, so if you know, make sure to tell me down whenever I get comments. That's that fidget. Now it's time for the worst fidgets. If you like some of these fidgets, these are my personal ones that I don't like. So first up is my square puppet. That's my square puppet. I'll give this one a 5 out of 10 because this side's pretty good. But on to the next one. But this is my yellow unicorn puppet. Same thing, I'll give this a 5 out of 10, but this is not very good on this side because it always keeps coming up. Alright, time for the next puppet. Okay, this is my heart puppet. This puppet is very, very soft, and I would not like it, and it keeps coming up on some parts. So, this side isn't too good. This side's great. I'll give this a 3 out of 10 because these are very, very soft and come up very, very easily. But this side pops very well. So I'll get that a 3 out of 10. Whenever I get comments, you say what you'd rate these. Alright, we're done with the puppets. Time to go to the next worst. So this is my homemade stress ball. It's not as good as the Nido, but it's still good. But if you get this wet, the whole thing will be ruined. So this isn't the bestest. So I'll give that a 3 out of 10. It's good, but it's not the best. Right, on to the next one. Okay, so I have no clue what this is. It came with a pack, but I have no clue. You just move things around in a circular form. And I don't like it because it's loud. So if you ever use it in something, like if you're on a plane or anything, this would be a really bad fidget to bring. And half of these you can get at Walmart or you can order on Amazon. But I'll give this one a 2 out of 10. And I'd give it a better rating if it wasn't so loud. Alright, on to the next one. Okay, same thing with this one. This one's like really, really loud. See, it's like really, really loud, and I don't like things that are very loud, like loud fidgets. But I'm fine with like loud poppets, but not like loud tiny fidgets. So I'll get this one a 5, just because it's shishi, and it makes a nice sound with my gel nails. So that's what I rate this one. Okay, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. And I'll see y'all on that. I'll see y'all in the next video. Bye.